In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Pinterest mobile username. If you want your Pinterest handle to better match your brand, be easier to remember, or simply reflect a fresh start, you can update it right from the Pinterest app in just a minute. Make sure you have the Pinterest app installed and that you're signed into the account you want to update. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone. From the home feed, head to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to your personal space where your boards, pins, and profile details live. It's the control center for anything related to your account. Once you're on your profile, look toward the top right corner and tap the three dots. This opens a quick menu with options related to your account and preferences. If your app version looks a little different, the icon might appear as a gear, but it's in the same area and leads to the same place. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where you manage everything about your account, from privacy to profile details. We're focusing on the basics today, so we'll keep it simple and go straight to the part that handles what people see and search for. Next, select Edit Profile. Here you'll find your display name, bio, website, and the field we need, your username. Tap the username field and type the new handle you'd like to use. Pinterest will let you know if the username is available. If it's already taken, try a short variation, add a relevant word, or include a simple number. Aim for something memorable, consistent with your other social handles, and easy to spell. Avoid spaces or special symbols. Keeping it clean helps people find you more easily. When you're happy with your choice and it's available, tap Done to save. That's it. The change happens right away. Your profile URL updates to include your new username, so if you share your profile link anywhere, like in a bio or on a website, be sure to update it so people don't hit a dead end. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up: keep your username short and clear, and if you manage multiple platforms, try to align this handle with the others for brand consistency. If the setting layout looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. Edit Profile and the username field are always within Settings. You've successfully changed your Pinterest mobile username. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed profile.